Good afternoon, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my home office here in Garner. Hey, real quick here, I want to do a video about the E-mini day trading course that I have to offer you guys. Very good day today. Before we get started, I want to share with you this is what it is, YM, which stands for the E-mini Dow, the 622, that's June 2022 contract. We have a 10-minute chart here. And as you can see, each vertical line represents 10 minutes. So in other words, once 10 minutes goes past, another vertical line appears, okay? And as you can see from this chart, let me get my other, see the little cursor here. As today, actually before the market opened, it was kind of a rangy period of time, okay? Kind of up and down. It was no consistency. Um, but around 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, as you can see, the market began to move upward. Okay, see how it starts from here, around this area here, starts going upward. And that goes all the way into the open, which is right around here. And here now it's what time is it now? It's one. I'm sorry. What time is it? Yeah, 1:30 Eastern time right now. So the market's still open. I'm done trading. But I just want you guys to know it was another successful day for the methodology that I teach. Okay, very simple, very easy to do. We take one trade per day on this particular method that we use, and during a period of time when the trigger occurred, this methodology again it worked. Took about a minute to actually get in and get out of the trade. So if you were trading just one contract for 10 points, which was easily hit in a matter of a minute or so, you'd have had a gross profit of $50. If you were trading 10 contracts, you would have made a gross profit of $500. Okay, so guys, this methodology is very easy to learn. It's all about patterns, guys. It's all about patterns, right? And I show you exactly, um, you know, how to do this. It doesn't make a difference whether you've ever had any experience in trading or not. If you're a complete novice, it makes no difference. I show you step by step exactly how to do this. Very simple, very easy. I don't have a whole lot of, filler and indicators and things like that. It's just, basic common sense. All you have to do is be able to simply follow some very, very simple instructions, okay? And you can do this over and over and over again. Now, this method that I teach you, this particular pattern, pretty much happens every day. I mean, Monday through Friday, that is, all right? And all you have to do is be able to know, well, first of all, know what it is and know when to pull the trigger. And once you pull that trigger, you got about a 90 some percent chance of actually being successful with this, all right? Yeah, again, this isn't foolproof. There are losers sometimes, but not very often. Trust me when I tell you. Um, and so, if you're interested in this, what I want you to do is I want you to go to it's a video here, all right? Go to secrettradingsystem.com. That is actually a YouTube video. I think it's about around 15 to 20 minutes long. What I want you to do is go there, watch the video, listen to it, and do exactly what it says to do. Now, if you have questions, of course, you can always give me a call. That's my personal cell phone number. Um, but don't call me and ask me how to do it. I'm not gonna tell you that. You got to buy the course first. But I don't mind. I'm open book and I don't have anything to hide at all. So this is a good system to learn how to do. Again, it does not make a difference if you don't have any experience at all because it does work for those people that don't have experience. If you do have experience, even better. But that's not a problem. What I'm doing here, guys, is I'm not trying to stay in the market all day. I want to just make a profit and get out and do it the next day. The way you become successful is doing something over and over and over again every single day in and day out, day in and day out. And, trading one contract, making $50 a day is not a lot of money. I'll admit that. But what happens is, as I said before, you gain experience, you gain your confidence, and so what happens is once you start making this money, you don't go out and spend it. You take it and you just let it build up, and so you start to scale. So you instead of trading one contract, you're trading two, and then three, and then four, and then five, and six. As many contracts as you can. But I always like to use the round number of 10. You're trading 10 contracts, you're making, say 8 points on 10 contracts. How much is that? That's like $400, and you can do this in, you know, sometimes seconds, but most time minutes. And that's the real deal, guys. That is, I'm not exaggerating at all. That is actually the real deal. That is the truth. Okay. So, um, again, what I want you to do is I want you to go to look at this video, secrettrading system.com. All right. Again, watch the entire video. At the end, it gives you very specific instructions as to what to do. And what that is basically, you're going to have to send me an email to an email address that I have on the video. And then in turn, I will send you some written information via email telling you exactly what you're going to get, which also includes the price and everything. As I stated before, like yesterday, I do offer a money back guarantee. And the reason why I do that is because I'm very confident in what I'm offering. Okay. I have so much confidence that this can work that if it doesn't, hey, I will give you your money back. As simple as that. All right. So I'm very confident that this will work for you, no matter who you are. It's a great program, a great situation, and I want you to be successful at this. Okay. So anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you go to secrettrading system.com, and I'll talk to you later. Bye for now.